Hello everyone. In this quick video, I want to let you know about the text editor program that I recommend. Now, obviously, you are free to use any text editing program that you want to use, but I know that when you're just getting started out, sometimes it's nice if someone recommends the tool that they themselves use. So, when it comes to PHP and Laravel and web development, a very popular choice is something called PHP Storm. A lot of PHP developers love this application, and it is amazing. However, it is not free. So it is not what I'm going to officially recommend. It's not what I'm going to be using in the course. I'm going to be using a program called Visual Studio Code. It's completely free. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and I'm a huge fan of it. So this is my official recommendation for text editing software, and it is the application that I'm going to be using throughout the entire course in all of the video lessons. So this would allow you to really follow along with me. The reason I'm a big fan of VS Code, aside from the fact that it's free, is that it has a lot of amazing extensions that I'm going to be using and I can share with you, and also because it has a built-in terminal or command line that automatically points towards the folder that you have open. So, for example, you could imagine that you pause this video and you download and install VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So here's the program open on my computer. And now imagine I have this folder on my desktop, right? Example folder. You don't have to do this. It's just a quick demonstration. But if you drag this onto an open VS Code window, or in VS Code, if you use the file menu and click open folder or open location, right, so I just opened that folder with VS Code. You can see here's the name of the folder up here. This left-hand Explorer area, this is where you can create new files, right? So you would just right-click, new file, new folder. Anyways, once you've opened a folder or directory with VS Code, you can just press Control-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac, and it's going to open up your command line or terminal down here. This is very handy. That way you don't have to manually type in the cd command and change directory into a very specific folder, right? You're probably working with a specific folder on your computer. Anyways, you've already opened it up with your text editor. So it's nice to have instant and easy access to that directory in the command line. Cool. Now I know VS Code is not the only program that does this, but VS Code is completely free. It's available for every platform. I'm a huge fan of it. And I'm just letting you know that it is my official recommendation for your text editor throughout this course. Cool. That's going to bring this quick video to a close. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to install PHP on our computer. I'm so excited to get started on this journey with you. Let's keep things rolling, and I'll see you then.